welcome to a fresh week of learning of computer science. I hope you all have understood lesson number 3 very well, the IPO cycle. I found it very interesting. Now class, we are just going to start the new chapter which is lesson number 4 and the title says how do we operate a computer, है ना. हमने देख लिया कि that how does a computer work, internal working क्या है कंप्यूटर की, बट उसको ऑन कैसे करना है. Computer is a machine of this presentation. How can we put on the computer? Can you all see the computer system here? The monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, CPU, the UPS, all the parts you can see. Yes? So now let us follow the steps which we need to have our computer started. Firstly, children, we need to switch on the main power supply button. The main power supply button that will give current to the entire system of our computer. So remember, the first is to put on the main supply power button. Secondly, you need to switch on the UPS button. There is a UPS attached to each and every computer. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Even if the power supply goes off while you are working on the computer, UPS gives us enough time to save our work so that it does not get deleted. It is so much required, isn't it? Otherwise, you will have to do the entire work again. The entire painting, Papa, Mama have to do the entire typing work again. So UPS is present with each computer. On the third point, we need to switch on the CPU button. We all know that the CPU, the central processing unit, is the brain of the computer. So now, thirdly, it is our duty to put on the CPU. The fourth point is to put on the monitor or the screen. There is a button at the bottom of the monitor. We need to put it on so that we can see our computer working. The first point says to switch on the main supply button. Secondly, switch on the UPS button. Third, the CPU button. And fourth is the monitor button or the screen button so that you can see your computer working. So children, as we read through the chapter, it says that the first screen that appears on starting a computer is known as the desktop. The first screen that appears on starting a computer is known as the desktop. So the first screen that you see is called a desktop, and this is how a desktop looks. Can you all see the desktop here? It has a start button at the extreme left corner, a task bar at the bottom of the screen, and there are a few small icons on the desktop. The icons are the small little available files on your computer, files or programs. And in case you wish to see that what all is available in your computer, you need to put on the start button. As you put on the start button, there will be a menu bar that appears and it will tell you whether your computer has Tux Paint or Simple Paint or Microsoft Excel, Word, and so on. We'll get to know about it later. So let us just read it together that the desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the task bar. When you peep through your room's window, you can see different views now. And this is how the desktop also shows you different views. In the same way, you can open and view many programs in Windows like Paint, Movies, Music. So children, how did you find today's lesson? Interesting ना? This subject itself is super interesting. I am sure ये आपका favorite subject बनने वाला है ना? अच्छा बेटा, तो आज हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? Let's do a quick recap. We have studied about how to put on the computer. हाउ डू वी ऑपरेट द कंप्यूटर. एंड कंप्यूटर जैसे ही ओपन होता है, द फर्स्ट स्क्रीन is called the desktop, and the desktop has many icons in it. We shall be learning about these icons, how do we open these icons in further chapters, but अभी के लिए इतना ही करेंगे. और नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी शैल कंटिन्यू अबाउट द लर्निंग ऑफ resizing of the windows and how to shut down our computer and so on. For now you have to read page number 33 and first paragraph on page number 34. ठीक है, हम रेडी रहेंगे रीड करके, तभी तो मैम से डाउट्स पूछेंगे, है ना. तब मैं आपको मिलूंगी नेक्स्ट वीक. एंड टिल दैट टाइम, माय टेक सेवी बेबीज, a big bye to you.